Hello friend, today we learn about circle and rectangle. How to draw circle and rectangle. So go to ribbon, select circle, and we see that there is different types of option. Center radius, center diameter, 2 point, 3 point, tangent, tangent radius, tangent, tangent, tangent. So we see one by one. First of all, center radius, click on it. Now it is asking me to specify the center point of circle. So this is my center point. Now I have to specify the radius of circle. Okay, radius 20. Enter. Now again we see center dia. Same way. Click center point. Dia 55. Enter. Now we see 2 point. Okay, select. So now this is my first point, and anywhere this is my second point. Now again go to 3 point. Okay, this is my first point, this is my second point, and anywhere this is my third point. Okay, now tangent, tangent, radius. Okay, so first tangent, second tangent, and the radius. Okay, radius is 20. Enter. Now we see that a circle is made with tangent, tangent, radius. Again tangent, tangent, tangent. So for tangent, 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 we have to draw one circle more so you can learn easily. Select center radius. This is my circle. Now tangent, 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 click on it. This is the first tangent, second tangent, and this is the third tangent point. Now you see that a circle is made having tangent, tangent, tangent with respect to three external circles. In this way circle is made. Now we are going to draw a rectangle. Click on ribbon, rectangle icon, or you have directly go to command bar, type REC and enter. So it is asking for specify first corner point. So this is my first corner point. Now you see that it is asking for area, dimension, rotation in command bar. So I will give dimension D, enter. It is asking for length of rectangle, so length will be 20, enter, and specify width for rectangle, so width is 15, enter. Now specify the other corner, so this is my other corner. In this way rectangle is made. You can also save this sketch. Go to application menu, click it, and save option, save, and go to the drive and click in save. In this way your drawing is saved. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.